In the market for a shed, there's only one way to go. Easy Shed has had strong ties in the community since the business started back in 1983. The best part is we manufacture 100% Aussie-made sheds right here in Albury. When shopping for your next DIY shed venture, look for the Aussie-made logo. If the brand can't proudly support it, it's a no-go. Easy Shed manufactures garden sheds and bigger steel buildings with the Australian climate in mind. Whether you're facing intense sun, heavy rain or strong winds, our products are built from top quality material to withstand the harshest conditions. By choosing Aussie-made, you're supporting local manufacturing, which provides jobs for the community and strengthens the Australian economy. It is a purchase you can stand by and be proud of. Choosing local effectively reduces the carbon footprint, which is associated with international shipping. And we're all for sustainability. Sure, there are cheaper imported sheds around, but do you really want to buy a shed every 1 to 2 years? Our sheds are designed to last. You'll save money on repairs and replacements down the line. Our lifetime warranty boasts our tried and true combination of quality, durability and customer support, guaranteeing peace of mind throughout the entire process. Choose local, choose Easy Shed. Make life easy today.